Got one password for multiple accounts or not changed it recently?
Trying to remember them is a little bit tricky.
Do you let your kids download apps without checking the permissions?
Security is a huge issue.
Click the link that's taken you to a dodgy website.
Not that I'm aware of.
Last year, lax cybersecurity cost Aussies more than $2.3 billion.
Would you believe that 50% of people use passwords from the top 25 list, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9?
And with access to one account, enough information can be gleaned to crack others. The advice is for strong passwords, and not just for applications, but Wi-Fi routers and other hardware.
It's made up of numbers, letters, symbols, and things that are not well known, that not dictionary terms.
From TVs to tablets and toys, any web device can be hacked to monitor your home life.
This is part of the issue when we're inviting technology into our homes, which have become so much a hub for connectivity, accessibility, and even education.
Especially with the rise of digital assistants. So devices such as Google Home are in a permanent sleep state until you say a specific cue word or phrase. It then wakes up, records your voice and sends the data away so you can get your search results. Hey Google, I need some help.
I can help you do lots of things.
We're becoming very digitized as people, and yet perhaps missing out on nature and the environment we've been given outside.
And the human touch is best for joke telling.
How does Lady Gaga like her sushi? Raw, 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 raw.
Bruce Roberts, Win News.